Okay.
It's fine.
Oh man, yeah, you gain frequencies with that, but you lose lows. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Oh, that's massive audio.
Do what?
Are these massives?
Nope, they're audio pipe.
Audio pipe, sorry, okay.
Yep.
Wow.
You want to keep me out of this so you can get good footage, man?
You can come in, dude.
Okay,
He's got back seats, that's the way you demo. You got back seats, demo back seats.
Yeah, I'm actually a big fan of both of y'all. I appreciate it. Yeah. I mean, you're definitely on the up and comer list, I'm pretty sure. I watching your live videos. I appreciate it. It's mounted up, but no, I'm having some problem with the RCAs. Yeah. Yeah, I saw some people.
Can I see the back too?
Yep.
Sorry. What vehicle is this?
Do what?
What vehicle?
It's a Toyota Sequoia.
Sequoia.
See my ports like pull out,
Oh,
but
nice.
it's fine.
Oh man, yeah, you gain frequencies with that, but you lose lows.
Love the stand. It happens. Thank you. Yeah.
Wow.
It was all birch, right? No, it's just the sanded plywood. Oh, okay.
Nice.
BC grade.
Unfortunately, I could get some magnet from that. Sorry. And this is all on 10 amps, 12K.
12K, yeah.
12K, okay.
12K, and I got 128 AH of lithium.
All right. Is this at, since it's 6 subs, what are you wired to?
1.3.
1.3?
That's what it owns to.
Got it, okay. You have a high output alternator?
Yes.
Can I see that too?
Yep.
I like to see everything. Yeah. Well, his voltage is doing. Where's your voltage drop down to right now? Your voltage. How does your voltage hold?
It stays in the 13s or 12s.
Yeah.
So the
alternator is hitting
way down there.
What size was it?
250.
250. Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Yeah, that must have been a pain to get into. Thanks for showing me, man. What's your name?
Parker.
Parker. Jacob. Nice to meet Parker.
I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Mr. Pippin, man. Pippin, man.
ever get in? It
Give me some pimpin', man. 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 Give me some pimpin', man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.